Hey guys, welcome to a very special Tuesday. I'm super excited because today my newest course, Procreate for Beginners, just got released. It is the ultimate beginner's guide to creating beautiful artwork in Procreate if you've never used Procreate before, or if you have and you're looking to pick up some additional techniques and methods and tricks, I've got you totally covered in this class. And even more exciting, this class is 100% free. It's a totally free class. It's over 2.5 hours of learning, of deep diving into Procreate. There's 4 different projects that have full tutorials, so you can learn the tools and then you can use them right away in the projects. And there are a ton of bonuses that come with the class too. So without further ado, here's the trailer for that class. Right below the video is a link to the class. You can go and enroll for free right with that link, and I hope to see you there. Procreate is now one of the most popular apps for creating artwork on an iPad. With its similarities to Photoshop, it's no surprise that with every new update, the app becomes that much more powerful. If you're new to Procreate or not an avid Photoshop user, those updates can get pretty overwhelming. That's where this course comes in. In Procreate for Beginners, we break down all the most important tools in the most digestible way. We begin with mini tutorials describing tools and techniques for an efficient workflow without the confusion. After a series of mini tutorials, we create a project together using those same tools to increase confidence. The repetition of using those tools on a real project also helps to make future projects a breeze. My name is Teal, and I've been creating Procreate lettering and artwork ever since the very first version of Procreate was released. I've also made my career as a graphic designer, creating artwork for both large and small companies. I've spent over a decade of daily use in Photoshop, and in this course, I'm sharing the best practices for creating your artwork efficiently, non-destructively, and production ready, no matter the use. We'll complete 4 main projects together that focus on layer order, color palettes, brush settings, editable text, clipping masks and layer masks, blending effects and depth, lettering for art and lettering for future font making, as well as symmetry, blend modes, export options, and next steps for your Procreate art. When you enroll, you'll also receive some Procreate bonuses. Included in the course are 2 custom Procreate brushes, every color palette for our different projects, a transparent PNG texture and a metallic silver jeweled texture, free lettering guides, and every Procreate project file if you ever need to reference them in the future. Whether you're brand new to Procreate or have been an avid user that could use some additional workflow tips, this course was created for you. So hit enroll to start creating the Procreate artwork you've always wanted to today.